Good morning guys, welcome to online class. Hope you are keeping well. So today I am going to teach you social science. The segment is economics. And the first chapter of your book, NCERT book of economics, that is development. What is development? Development means progress. So there are various kinds of development. Individual development, collective development, and nationwide development. Individual development means how you are developing yourself. That means how you are grooming yourself. Whether you are educated, whether you are illiterate, whether you are not coping with the situation or you cannot, or you are not developed economically or financially. So there are various kinds of development. So development or progress, we can see that in the field of agriculture or farming, in the field of industries, in the field of education, in the field of medical science. So there are different kinds of segments, and different kinds of segments have different kinds of development. Suppose India is a farming based country, agriculture based country. So in this field, India is quite developed because India need not to depend on other countries for grains, pulses, or vegetables and other spices and all. But in other field, India is not developed. India is still developing or progressing country. It is not progressed country. So different segments are related to the different kinds of development. First, we can say, or we should say, that individual development. What is individual development? How you are developing yourself. Suppose I am not so educated and I want to educate myself. So what should I do? Simultaneously, I have to earn money also. I have to support my family also. So what will you do, or what should I do? That I will support my family, I will do job or any small scale business, and I will pursue my education also. After that, I will be an educated person and also economically sound. Not so rich, but I can manage myself and my family. So that is called individual development. And what is the contribution towards nation? Your development, what is the relationship between your development and the nation? If you are a developed person or a progressed person, or developed or progressed means in the field, that means in the field of education or in the field of economy, then you can contribute yourself towards nation. Then you can contribute as a good citizen your work to the nation. So that is the individual development.